Hi friends, welcome to the Real Education YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about the Cash app. How to find barcode in Cash application. This is too simple process and you don't have to face any difficulty in this process. First you need to open the application on your mobile. After opening the application, you will see this type of interface on the application, and here is the option of the home interface as we can see here. So tap on this home icon. Friends, you have this type of interface in Cash application: add cash or cash out, and direct deposit, bank transfer, paper money, recurring deposit. So we need to tap on the paper money deposit at nearby location. Tap on this icon. Now friends, Cash app asking you to select your location. So I hide my location due to privacy issue. First of all, select your location and then tap on the show barcode. So now friends, I selected my location and this is the location, and address is here, and you can see the location, and tap on the show barcode icon. Now friends, this is the your barcode. I hide my barcode due to privacy issue as we can see here. Ask cashier to scan the barcode. First of all, you need to read this all term and condition. $1 fee per transaction and limit 1 transaction per barcode, and $5 minimum to deposit up to $500 per transaction and $1,000 in a week. You can maximum deposit $4,000 in every 30 days, and you can read this all term and conditions. And friends, this is not your permanent barcode. This barcode will be expire in 24 hours. So please take a screenshot of your barcode and you can show this barcode to your shopkeeper and they will deposit your money, and tap on the done icon. And friends, as we can see here, how long does it take paper money to deposit on your Cash app? It can take 1 to 3 business days. I hope that this video is really helpful for you. If this video is really helpful for you, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video. जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम।